Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter number 13, that is electric current and circuit. It is a part of physics. So first of all, we will learn about the electrical circuit. What is an electric circuit? The continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. So, in our daily life, all the electrical appliances such as fans, televisions, radio, refrigerator, computer starts running as soon as their switches are on. And when we turn off the switches, electrical appliances stops running. The switch makes a conducting link between the electrical appliances and the source of electricity. So the electricity travels along a path. So the continuous and closed path of an electric current, जिस पाथ में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो करता है उस पाथ को वी कैन कॉल इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. We can call electric circuit. So in a simple electric circuit, there is a requirement of minimum three components. As we have mentioned below, first of all, a source of electric current. सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोवाइड करता है, या तो सेल या बैटरी, सेल और बैटरी. अ कंडक्टिंग पाथ, the path that allows the movement of charges, that allows the movement of current, means wires. We need wires. And third component, electrical component, any component which we have to join in the circuit, like light bulb, motor, speaker, heater, that converts electrical energy into some another form of energy. So we have required three components in a simple circuit. First one is cell or battery, second one is wire, and third one is any load or any electrical appliance. Now, how can we construct a simple electric circuit? For constructing a simple electric circuit, the materials required are a simple dry cell, which we use in our daily life, like in remotes or toys, a torch bulb, an insulated copper wire, and electrical tape. So what we have to do, we have to connect the torch bulb to the cell through wires by using electrical tapes. Now, and we have to interrupt the circuit with the help of a switch. बीच में क्या लगाना आपको? एक switch. ये आपका एक simple circuit तैयार हो गया. Now close and open the switch. When we close the switch means when we on the switch, the circuit becomes closed. The circuit become closed and the current flow through the circuit. And when we switch off, then the circuit becomes open and the current will not flow in the circuit. So here is the diagram in which the in first diagram, in this diagram, switch is on and the bulb will glow. But in the second diagram, switch is off, means circuit is open and the bulb will not glow. So this is closed circuit. This one is, first one is closed circuit and second one is open circuit. In the closed circuit, bulb will glow, and in the closed circuit, in open circuit, the bulb will not glow. Is it clear? Now, what are the symbols of electrical components? देखो, in the last circuit diagram, we have to draw the battery, we have to draw the bulb, but it is too difficult. So, to represent in the circuit diagram, we use electrical symbols. we use electrical symbols. Like there's some symbols which we used in our circuit diagram. The first, like the symbols of cell is a small line and a big line. Small line represents the negative terminal of the cell, and big line, large line, represents the positive terminal of the cell. Now battery, what is a battery? A combination of two or more cells is known as battery. Like in this symbol, there is a combination of three cells. So combination of cells is known as battery. Wire, a simple line is known as the symbol of wire is simple line. Switch open means when the switch is in off position. Open means when the switch is in off position, we have to disconnect the two wires. And the symbol of switch close is, इसको बिल्कुल क्लोज कर दो, ये बन गया. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ close switch, and this is the symbol of electrical bulb. So we use symbols to represent each component of the circuit. Why we use symbols? Because it's much easier to draw circuit diagram using symbols, and the drawing of electrical circuit using symbols of circuit element is known as circuit diagram. Like this is the circuit diagram of closed circuit. This is a switch which is in on position. This is a symbol of, cell. This is a symbol of cell, and this is wire, and this is bulb, and this is the diagram of closed circuit. If we have to make a circuit diagram for open circuit, then what we have to do? We have to do what? There's only a single change, कि we disconnect the switch. ऐसे. So this is a diagram for open circuit. It's a diagram for open circuit. Now I hope, yeah, that you will understand the whole. So thank you very much.